Do any of you guys have a cat that loves heaters? Because this little one loves to be next to the heater. But it's off. Hey, ma'am. Did no one tell you that the heater's off? No? You want me to turn it back on? Are you cold? Also, you can tell if your kitties are cold by touching their ears and their paws. Oh, you aren't cold. Here, I'll turn it just a little bit. Okay? Okay. Anyways, good morning. I hope you guys are enjoying yesterday's vlog. All three of you guys that will probably be watching it. For today's plan, I think we need to go do laundry later on, which I hate to do. I cannot wait until we have a house and I don't have to do laundry at a laundromat because it's a pain in the butt. But anyways, for now, this is what we have to work with and I just have to get over it. So we're gonna go do laundry, I think, later tonight with my sister since we have leftovers for dinner. And then right now I'm gonna shower because my hair is just a rat's nest right now. That truck is so loud. So my hair is a rat's nest. Why are there such loud cars outside? And I need to clean the apartment because it is currently pretty messy and a little dirty. So, well, you can see this? Pure beauty. She's beauty, she's bliss. So I need to straighten our bedroom. I need to clean, like fully clean the bathroom. And I wanted to vacuum. So we'll see how far we get between today and tomorrow because tomorrow's Friday. And yeah, so that's what we have planned for today. Alright, so I just got out of the shower and I'm leaving my hair curly for a couple days. Just kind of letting it rest because I've been straightening it a lot. And this is what it looks like after I put all the products in and I just don't touch it until it dries. I wanted to try doing the diffuser, but I've never done it before, so I'm not sure if I know how to do it. But anyways, I wanted to show you guys the products that I've been using because this has really changed my curly hair game. So typically what I'll do is I'll put in this product here, which is the Eva NYC Satin Dream Smoothing Leave-In Cream. So I'll put like a pump or two of this one and just kind of distribute it all over my hair with my hands. And then I'll go in with this one, the Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream. And I'll do the same thing with this one. I'll just do like dime size and then just spread it around my hands and just kind of put it all over my hair. And then I'll go in with a regular brush and just kind of brush it through, make sure it's everywhere. So what this one does is kind of removing the frizz from my hair. I can also use this when I'm gonna do like my hair straight, but I have a different product from Bumble that I like using a little more for my straight or from when I blow dry my hair, like, you know what I mean, blow dry or whatever. And then this one kind of activates the curl, so it gives it more like the curly look. And then finally I go in with this one, the Eco Style Professional Styling Gel, the black castor and flaxseed oil. This stuff is so affordable, so cheap, but I really like it for at the end. Once I have those two products in my hair, I'll section it off, and usually I'll do 4 to 5 sections. So I start with like my lower half, I'll separate it into 2, and then I'll go in with this brush. This brush is what has made like a huge difference. I could use all these products, but without this brush it just doesn't work as well. So I would highly recommend this brush if you have curly hair and you've been struggling trying to figure out a routine. This is so good. I've seen it multiple times on like Instagram reels and things, and I don't know like the science behind it, but this actually makes a difference with my curls. And it has like a silicone, almost like that's what that pink part is. It's almost like a silicone, and like the bristles are pretty much like plastic. So I don't know I don't know what the magic is behind it, but it works. So what I'll do is I'll put those two products in, brush it through with a regular brush, and then I'll section it off and start putting this throughout those sections. So I'll make sure that I put like quite a lot, almost like a quarter. No, that's too much. Maybe like a dime, like a nickel. Nickel is at the 5 nickel. whatever. And I'll just kind of put it all over my hair and just kind of push it through my hair. And then I'll go in with this one and then just kind of comb it through carefully, making sure no hairs are like tangled. And then after that, I just help it up. And I don't scrunch it with my hand. I just do, I think they call it like the praying hand. So basically you just go like this or palm it or something like that. So you don't scrunch it. You just kind of help it up. And then it starts to create the curls and I just kind of let it be. And I move on to the next section. So I'll do that with 4 to 5 different sections. I know there's a lot of girls that will actually like do strand by strand. I don't have the patience for that. I barely have the patience for this. But these 3 products have been like working so well, and I love them so much. I already have replaced this one. I have a backup, not replaced. I have a backup for this one. This one I've had it for quite a while and I'm barely like halfway because you don't need a lot of it. And this one, same thing. So I share it with my sister. This one my sister also got into for her hair, and it actually just, like I said, it just tames down your hair and it makes it look so pretty. And I really want to try diffusing it, but I don't know if I'll do that today or not. Also, another thing I'm thinking is my hair is going to eventually fade from this red that's under. And I'm debating if I want to go back to the salon. I have an appointment already, but I might cancel it because it's just so expensive. Like, I know that it's worth paying, but right now I don't really have like a stable income, so I don't know, it gets a little expensive, a lot expensive. Even though I know it's worth it, I might start doing boxed hair dye again, or making my own from Sally's Beauty Salon. I don't know. What do you guys think? I want to do like a light brown, even if it was like a reddish brown, kind of like what this one looks like right now, that it's wet, but you know, that it looks like that when it was dry, like a very dark burgundy, or like a light brown. But I don't know. But anyways, I gotta go make lunch. So I wanted to show you guys what the hair looks like now that it's completely dry. So what I ended up doing is I didn't diffuse it because I don't know how to do that, but I grabbed the hair dryer and then put on the lowest speed and then put it on hot, and then just kind of let my hair, I kind of held it upside down and just kind of blew it upwards, and yeah, and then pointed it at the roots mostly because that's where it was still kind of wet, and it kind of created like a little bit of lift because of the air that was coming from below, which is I think what the diffuser is supposed to do. But I really liked how it created like a lot of volume with the hair dryer that I typically don't get, so I might try that again next time. But up here I have a lot of like new baby hairs coming in, so right here I end up looking like a peacock, so I ended up just putting like a little clip to kind of hold it all down, but I think it looks cute. Also, my Old Navy order came in. Look at that humongous box, and look at that silly little kitty. So I will not be opening it today. I'll open it for you guys tomorrow morning, and I'll do like a try on haul on tomorrow's video. And I ended up showering and washing the shower, and then we went to the storage. We dropped off the bike. Finally, there's nothing there anymore. And then we came home. And now I'm going to heat up dinner. But I didn't get to clean all the bathroom, which I'm kind of bummed about. But anyways, I guess I'll just get to that tomorrow. No, it's time to call my mom. But anyways, I feel like I was gonna say something. But anyways, I don't know. So tomorrow I'll do the try on haul and I'll finish cleaning the apartment. Oh, that's what I was gonna say. We're gonna go visit Francisco's mom because it's her birthday today. So we're not gonna do laundry today. I think we're probably gonna end up doing it Saturday morning. Did Arnie ever say we're hanging out this weekend?
He said he wanted to, but I'm not sure. I need to text him to make sure that he wants to do it on Saturday. Because, I mean, the weekend could mean Friday or Saturday for him.
Well, yeah, but you guys
So
need to figure it out.
Make sure that he's good for Saturday.
Okay. Well, I guess we'll figure that out.